Hey guys, welcome back to Rev Atlas. I'm Sandeep and today you're watching an unboxing video, and not the typical unboxing because this is not exactly the Realme 7 or 7 Pro but rather the launch invite for this. So there's something inside this. I want to unbox this and showcase to you guys as well what's inside and what makes this invite teaser special. So there are different companies that send out unique invitations. So Xiaomi does that. They had sent their sensor. Vivo also did something similar with the sensor. So I love these kind of different sort of invites that tease what smartphone is going to bring to the table when it gets launched. So this also seems to be something like that. So let's go ahead and unbox this, but before we get this started, please do make sure to hit the subscribe button and also turn on notifications for more videos like this. Now let's get this video started. So let's start by taking a look at the box. The box is very similar to most other Realme devices. You have the 7 series branding here. There's a Dart Charge branding at the top, and you also have the text that's written capture sharper, charge faster, and again Realme branding. So it's typical Realme yellow color box. And okay, here's written possibly India's best 64 megapixel camera, and it's also written definitely India's fastest charging phone. So, and at the back you also have an Android branding. So I think they're talking about fast charging and good camera. So the first smartphone that's passed with TÜV Rheinland smartphone reliability verification. So this has been done on the 7 and 7 Pro, and they're saying this is the first ever smartphone to actually pass this test. And we also have the invite itself, which is launching on 3rd of September, both the Realme 7 and 7 Pro. And finally we have a charging cable and the adapter. So this is a USB type A to type C cable, and you have a SuperDart charger as well, which is the 65 watt charging. And yes, 10 volt at 6.5 ampere, that is the max zone. So I have a feeling that they are launching the Realme 7 and 7 Pro, or maybe just the Pro, or maybe both, I don't know, with this 65 watt charging speed. And if that's true, that's kind of crazy, because as of now the fastest Realme smartphone we have in terms of charging is the X50 Pro 5G, which has 65 watt charging, but that's over 35,000 rupees in terms of cost. And now X3 also didn't have that, I believe. So this will be, if it's below 20, I think that'll be pretty crazy to have 65 watt charging in that sort of price range. I think that's why they have also written definitely India's fastest charging phone. Anyway, that's it for this unboxing, guys. If you have any questions, do let me know in the questions below. Looking forward to this. If the charging is that fast, it's pretty cool. But yeah, let me know what are your expectations. What do you expect to see from the Realme 7 and 7 Pro? Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you again in the next one.